Miele vacuum cleaner brush head will not rotate. Remove the bracket cover and cleaned a bit of dirt and hairs, but it is very difficult to turn the brush by hand and I cannot see how to remove the entire brush assembly. Can you make a suggestion, please?
Please allow me a few minutes to reread your question. Do you have the model number of the vacuum?
Model S4510. Still awaiting your reply, please?
Working on it now and thank you for the model number. http://www.centralvacuumstores.com/meta/info/s4+series+operating+instructions.pdf. Miele really wants the aftermarket repair business. They are not DIY friendly. When I asked for the specific parts list for the 4510, I got the link above, which is the S4000 series. There is not much in there on the brush head, but I will keep looking. I do know some Miele models have suction-assisted heads, but they do a poor job of identifying exactly which head per series has the assist function and which does not. I understand your problem, but I am not sure yet if the problem may be in the suction assist, or if your head is a suction assist, but hang on, there is an answer. Servicing the floor roller, use a coin to release the roller pin and take it out. A. Push and take out the roller axle. B. Take out the roller. C. Remove all threads, hair, etc. And reassemble the parts in the reverse order. My mistake, I should have asked for the main model and the power head model. Is it in subs 217 through 228? The main model does not specify the exact power head, dependent on year manufactured and model changes. Miele turbo brushes are electrically driven to provide the deepest cleaning solution or your carpet needs. A dedicated motor operates a rotating brush, aka beater bar, to turn carpet fibers over and deep clean the carpeting. The Miele turbo brush is an all-in-one solution for homes with wall-to-wall carpet or heavy foot traffic on your carpeted areas. The Miele turbo brush requires an electric hose to operate. Be certain your Miele vacuum cleaner is equipped for use with an electric hose before purchasing a power brush. The Miele power brushes are available in the SEB 217-3 power brush model with a 10/2 cleaning path, and the SEB 236 power brush model with a 13/5/8 cleaning path and headlight. Also, the SEB 228 power brush offers an impressive 14 inches cleaning path for maximum cleaning efficiency. The SEB 213 power brush models work great on short to medium pile carpets. As you can see, there are a variety of power heads. The S4 series should be a non-electric air-driven power head. Each Miele vacuum is part of a particular series, for example, the S2 series or the S4 series. A series represents a group of vacuums that have similarities in their overall design. Each vacuum in a series may come with different options and accessories, but each series of Miele's has distinct features that make that series unique from the others. And it may have a name such as Neptune or Polaris. Drilling down with any Miele device is a challenge due to their proprietary methods. Each model may be accessorized with one or several of the following tools. Turbobrush STB 205-3. The Turbobrush is intended for cleaning short to medium pile carpeting. It is mechanically driven by the suction power of the vacuum. In addition to dust particles, it also removes stubbornly adhered threads, hairs, fluff, etc. Observe the cleaning instructions. It is quite possible with the model number that the power head is a suction power head, dependent on the exact power head model. Some are not repairable and the complete power head will need to be replaced. This may explain why you are not seeing a method to remove the roller assembly. It is built to be a replacement part in total, but I need to find out exactly what head was installed on your unit. 4210 seems to be more popular than 4510. Any chance the 5 is a 2? Example only. Unfortunately, the wand for your Miele is sold as an entirely assembly only. Miele does not sell pieces of this wand separately. In order to fix your wand, you'll need to purchase a new wand assembly complete. The wand on your Miele is the Miele Set 210 wand. We still need to verify the exact head you have before we decide the head has no replacement parts. With it hard to turn, I would put the possible lack of suction as a last resort for a root cause, but you can check for suction, although it sounds like a mechanical bind, bearings, journals, etc., that are worn, and creating the problem of the brush being difficult or stiff to turn by hand, as suction is generally not that strong in this type of application. http://www.centralvacuumstores.com/vacuums/pdfs_miele_vacuums.php.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/ythi.